And I'm going to be real slow today and real deliberate, because I want everybody out here in the wrestling world to understand that there are big names in this sport, and then there are big names. There are winners in this sport, and there are losers. There are champions, and there are challengers. And you see, every once in a while, I come out here, and I get so wrapped up in talking about women, and cars, and airplanes, and big houses, and all the necessities that make Ric Flair, woo, the world champion, and the four horsemen go around, that sometimes I don't really touch home. So I'm going to talk to you all real slow and real deliberate. Okay? You listen up.
That couch like Soul Glow.
Y'all out there, take a good look at what's going on. Not just another pretty face, not just the best looking man alive, not just the best dressed man, but the greatest athlete on the face of this earth, brother. And when you wake up in the morning, you do yourself a favor, you pattern your life after Ric Flair, and you'll be something. You'll be something in this world that someone can say they're proud of.
I was born fly, Italian Vogue on them, no. I was born fly. I was born fly. I've been heavy in my lane, you ain't never lie. I was born fly, Italian Vogue on them, no. I was born fly. I was born fly. I've been heavy in my lane, you ain't never lie. Man down, hands up. Over here we going up, in the hills we rolling up. Humble though, but blowing up. Gucci gang, them niggas. High school Tommy Hilfiger. Separate from a fake killer, dressing up like a drug dealer. 80s dope, white girl, tracked out in the Fila suit. Gold chains, wig gazelles, pinky ring, even troop.